everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make matte slime. Now matte slime doesn't seem too popular in the slime world, but today I'm going to show you how you can make it at home. It's actually really easy. So what you're going to need for matte slime is glue, obviously, and you'll need Elmer's glue all, but I actually didn't have Elmer's glue all, so you don't necessarily need it. It just makes it thicker. You will need cornstarch, you will need conditioner, you will need lotion, and finally you will need an activator of your choice. Now, before I get into all the fancy making slime stuff, I just want to point out my nails. So if you like them, that's great, wonderful, and thank you so much, but they're fake nails, so they fell off while I was kneading this slime. So here is how you can make matte slime. So first you're going to need some glue, and you're going to need about 2 times the amount of glue you added in as cornstarch. Then you're also going to want to add in a couple pumps of conditioner and a couple pumps of lotion. Once you've gotten all that mixed in and you can barely see any chunks in the bowl, you may want to add extra glue if your slime looks like what mine looks like right now. You will want to start activating it. Now, when I was activating this slime, it wasn't stretching very much. So if your slime is doing that, then all you gotta do is just add in a little bit more glue and then just activate it again. And you just want to keep activating it until it gets stretchy. So like if the slime starts to pull away from the bowl, then you want to go ahead and start kneading it, and you may want to add a little bit more activator on your hands. You will know when your slime is ready when you are able to stretch it and stuff like that, like the way you see on a YouTube video and the way you will see it very soon. I would like to apologize for this slime being out of frame. But yeah, so this is what it looks like out of the bowl, how it looks like when it's stretching. It's actually pretty glossy. Not the most glossy, but pretty glossy. And here is the finished product. It is actually pretty thick and pretty nice, and I quite like it. Now, before I get into the ASMR, I am going to tell you that I did make a previous slime that doesn't look nearly as good, but I ended up making it into cloud slime and it looked really nice. But I am going to show you what that slime looked like before I made it into cloud slime. But let me first let you hear the ASMR. Alright, so this is the one I made before, which is a lot more runny, but I know that's just because I added too much lotion into it, not enough cornstarch, and I really should have told my mom to pick up some PVA glue before I asked her to get some regular glue, but whatever.
Walking with the